Hey guys, welcome. I want to show you this X-Stone water bottle. This water bottle, I bought it to use to take to work. It's 2.2 liters. I like the handle, how you can just put your hand like this and carry it. This is X-Stone water bottle, or you can take it to the gym. It's quite big, and like the color, you can also see inside it. So this is the water bottle I got. And the cap is attached with a lid, which you can easily close it. So this one is X-Stone. If you like, also you can actually carry it from the top like this, I prefer to carry it from the handle, but you can also carry it from the top. This is what we have here. 2.2 liters. I like the design of it. It's highly recommended. I like this water bottle. It can take you to the whole day. We're going to fill it up. Fill it up, and yeah, we'll go from there. Highly recommended. Thank you.